I don't have clients. So in the world of social media, where everybody is trying to tell everybody that I have so many great clients. I have 8,000 rupees of client. I have $8,000 of client, and I have $10,000 of client. That's how I got my client of $100,000, $500,000, right? So many stuff are going on right now, and everybody has the result right now. So I make this particular video to tell you the truth of mine, that I don't have any client, and I will tell you the reason also about that, right? So you may be wondering that Shivam, you have a great Instagram page, you have a great YouTube channel, and that is also after that also you don't have any client. So there is a reason for that. I think the only reason that I don't reach out to client with the email. Also, I talk so much about email marketing, but to be very honest, I don't reach out with the email. I just talk about the the stuff which I learned from the books and which I learned from the video. But eventually, after doing a job, and then after creating the content in the YouTube and in the Instagram, and then trying to figure it out that how can I improve my Instagram page, and after that I got very less time to do that. Nowadays, I have the laptop of my brother, which I don't use a lot, but I should use that because I wanted to learn about Excel also. So just because I don't reach out to the client, and that is the only reason I don't have the client. And there is no any shame that when you are creating the YouTube channel, you want to make sure that whatever the things which you are telling to your audience needs to be true, right? And so that is going to be sure in this particular channel. I'm not going to brag anything about it. If I don't have any client, I will tell you that I don't have any client. I don't want to become that particular kind of a creator who can say so many things that I have 5,000 rupees, $5,000 of client, $10,000 of client, $20,000 of client. I even don't know how to sell my $5 of services in the Fiverr, right? I don't know that, right? And that is the only thing which is going to change my life in the future. I will promise you, I will figure it out how to get the client, how to gain client, how to gain more and more client in the future. I will do that. I will try to make sure that I will do that, and I will create another video by telling you that this is how I get client, right? So now I will tell you how I'm going to get the client. I will work in the Fiverr.com. I will work on my social media. I will work on this YouTube channel where people can come and people can give me their orders by telling me that Shivam, I want you to write my sales copy and I want you to write my email copy. That's how I'm going to have the client. So, but the truth is now that I don't have any clients. So I'm really sorry for that. If I make you surprised right now, maybe you are thinking that Shivam is earning too much. I don't earn money. I just earn $0 from copywriting because I don't have any clients. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.